let's talk about WordLab 4. WordLab 4 can be really fun. We put aside the resume, we finished all of that, and let's see what we can do and learn a few new tricks here for Word. So on the lab, what you're going to do is you're going to create a flyer. And when you look at the lab here, you'll see that there's several different flyers. You can create whatever kind of flyer you want, basically, so long as it's school appropriate. You can create a flyer about a missing item, some kind of sale, a garage sale, maybe you're selling a car, you're selling something. Or you can create a flyer about yourself, your family, your kids, something like that. So when you have, let me show you the self-evaluation form first. I have it open over here, self-evaluation form. What the idea is that you use something that you like, that you have fun with, and create it into a flyer. And what you're going to use here, with the required features, are a picture, some kind of picture, and a map. And what I want you to do is, that's not a map off of Google. I'm going to show you how to make a map. And it doesn't have to be very much detail. I just want you to use shapes and arrows and lines so you get used to where they are. And then a text box. We haven't talked much about those, but I'll show you how to do them. And the font effects you've already done. Colors and sizes, colors of font. And make sure that it's colorful. So I don't want you to do it all in black and white. I want you to have some color to this. Then borders. You can either have borders around text, or you can have borders around the page. And your page color, alignment. I'm going to show you how to do word art. And you need to have a word art, bullets, watermark. And I'm going to have separate videos for these, so where they're not so big, the videos aren't so long. And that way, if you already know how to do a watermark, skip that video. And then one of the big things is spell checking. Check your document before you turn it in. And it should look nice. And then this self-evaluation form here, I want you to fill it out and check these boxes. If you've done everything, give yourself a score down here. Tell me what you think you earned. And then attach this self-evaluation form. When you turn in your flyer, turn in the self-evaluation form too. Okay, let me show you some of the samples, some of these flyers here. If you have a lost item, and I've had people do it as far as lost phones, lost turtle, lost dog, lost friend, anything, lost anything. Get creative and have fun with it. So name of the item, okay, a picture of the missing item, a map like we talked about where it was last seen. And I had some do their phone, and it was last seen in a certain room in the house, so they drew a map of their house and where it was last seen. So other information, if there's a reward, anything to have fun. And then all of these are the checkoff list. This is the checkoff list that you can use, which I already talked about. So that's the lost missing item. Then we have the flyer about yourself. And I'm going to turn off this show hide so it's a little easier to see. You, your major, things that you like, and a picture of you and things you like, a logo representing yourself. It could be, if you're in nursing, it could be a nurse's uniform, it could be something like that, or a hospital. And a map of where you're normally found. I have a lot of times students will do a map of them in front of their computer. And you can do, give us other information about yourself. And then once again at the bottom here, we've got the requirements. Then the last one a sales flyer. This could be I had one guy do a sale for his girlfriend, so he was trying to get rid of her. In other words, the date of the sale, percentage off. If you're going to have a sale, like a garage sale, you could have a sale of an animal, anything that you want to sell. Then a logo, if you've got a company or something that you want to include, the map of the sale location, and other information. This would be like if you were selling a baseball card, and you could say the information on the card, what it is all about. And you could also do a comparison currently selling on eBay for such and such. If it's a grand opening for a store, then have that as a grand opening. Okay, and then once again, it's the same requirements. So as far as topic is concerned, and I'm going to close these. As far as topic is concerned, it's pretty open as far as what you want to do. So the big thing is I want you to have fun with it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop here, and I'm going to have separate videos. You also, under this learning videos for Lab 4, there are some other videos here that have been entered. These are the Who Knew It videos. So inserting and arranging an image. This is a picture, how you can do that. Inserting word art, but I'm going to do another video on that also. So see you in the next video.